Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best crab traps in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Danielson Pacific FTC Crab Trap. This is one of the most selling products and is the choice of all fishermen due to its quality and features. It lies in box trap categories, which are bulkier and heavy, but this crab trap is foldable and extremely light in weight. The trap is made of steel wires which are coated with vinyl that gives them extra strength and durability. This cage trap is perfect for the blue crabs. It has 4 entranceways from which only crabs and fishes can enter but cannot exit. This crab trap has a feature that is emptying itself in case if you cannot retrieve the cage, the crabs can live freely. This feature makes it ethical fishing equipment. Once the crab or fish enters it, there is no way of exit. This is the reason this box trap has a high success rate. The best part of this cage trap is that it can be folded into a flat, making it easier to transport and carry. The cage has plenty of space, which allows more and more crabs and fishes to be caught. The wires are fixed at a distance, which only allows the intended fishes and crabs to be caught. Pros: foldable design. Best for blue crabs. Strong and durable. Auto-emptying feature. Perfect wire spacing. Vinyl coated steel wires. 4 entrance doors. You can hand bait with wires. Cons: a bit expensive. Number 2. Our second best pick is Promar TR530C2 heavy-duty crab pot with complete rigging. The Promar heavy-duty crab pot comes with everything you need to start catching Dungeness crabs: a 3-entrance vinyl-coated steel trap, a 100-foot lead line, a PVC float and 4 arm harnesses for easy and smooth pulling. Unfortunately, the size of the holes are a bit too big for blue crabs, so you'll only want to use this on the west coast to catch larger rock, stone and Dungeness crabs. This trap is fully compliant with current California and Washington laws to catch Dungeness crabs, so you won't need any modification to immediately start crabbing. You may also want to add a couple weights on the inside of the catch to ensure it drops quickly even in heavy chop without troubles. Unfortunately, unlike other crab pots on this list, this one cannot fold down for easy transport. You may also need to do some slight modifications to make it legal for Alaska and Oregon, as the escape rings are a bit small to be legal, but that shouldn't be too difficult. Be sure to check the regulations in your area to be sure. Pros: comes with a 100-foot line, float and harness. Ideal choice for Dungeness, rock and stone crabs. The escape rings are of legal size for Washington and California. Vinyl steel coating ensures a long-lasting construction. Cons: expensive. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kufa Sports stainless steel frame casting crab trap. Kufa Sports CR56 is a casting crab trap that can be cast by hand or a fishing rod. It is one of the best crab traps for pier fishing. This trap is great for catching small species of crabs such as crabs. It is mostly used by hobbyists due to its compact size and transportability. Kufa is a well-renowned company for high-end manufacturing equipment for fishing. This crab trap is a great piece of work as its success rate is very high as compared to other traps of its family. No doubt that this trap is smaller in size, but it has very good performance. It comes with a smooth casting braided rope. This fishing rope is made of nylon that ensures it will not break even if the tap basket is full. The length of this rope is 100, which is enough to reach depths of the water. You should give this trap a try if you have some experience in fishing and casting. The only drawback of this crab trap is its price. you will get this trap for around $25, which is way more when compared to other pure crab traps. If you have got some budget for the crab trap, then this trap deserves a try. Pros. Comes with 100 rope. Nylon rope. Stainless steel frame. Can be cast by hand or rod. Great performance. High quality. Cons. Expensive. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Promar TR555 folding crab trap with top door. The more entrances a crab trap has, the more you're optimizing your chances of making a catch, and the Promar folding crab trap has 4 small hole entrances to let all the curious crabs into your trap. For safety, if you can't ever retrieve your trap, there are also 2 escape rings. With a hinged tending door, you can easily set the bait and retrieve your crabs without getting pinched. The entire design collapses flat for easy portability to any location. With a corrosion-resistant coating, this trap will serve you throughout the years as you search for Dungeness, stone, and rock crabs to eat. What makes this crab trap stand out? Folding design is easily portable. 4 small hole entrances to maximize your catch. 2 escape rings in case you can't retrieve the trap. Hinged tending door making baiting and retrieving crabs easy. Collapsible design is easy to transport. Corrosion-resistant coating makes it long-lasting. Great for Dungeness, stone, and rock crabs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Kufa vinyl coated crab trap and accessory kit. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to buy multiple crab traps and all the associated gear, then this is the choice for you. This comes with 2 vinyl-coated steel crab traps and all of the necessary accessories, including a crabbing line, bait bag and float. Depending on your local laws, you may be able to legally use 2 traps per person, and this is the ideal purchase if that is the case. For what you get, the price is actually very reasonable. This is an excellent non-commercial crabbing kit specifically made for Dungeness crabs. It probably won't work that well for blue crabs, as Dungeness crabs tend to be much larger and the gaps in the cage may be too big to successfully capture them. They're also easily foldable, which makes transporting multiple traps at a time a breeze. As always, when buying a steel crab trap, you may need to make some slight modifications with a pair of pliers to ensure that your escape rings are the legal size. There is also no trap door on the top to get the crabs out, so if that's a legal requirement in your area, you may need to look into buying a different trap. Pros. Comes 2 sets of 100 feet non-lead line, bait bag, float and harness. Made for West Coast Dungeness crabs. Steel with vinyl coating. Foldable for easy storage. Inexpensive. Cons. If you can't use 2 traps per person, there may be better options for you. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.